Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and our today video topic is the code reusability in OPS. So what is a code reusability? In real life example, we like our laptop battery is discharged and it was reused. So like the gas cylinder is empty and when we refill it again to save the cost of same thing over again. So there are two types in code reusability. First is association, means has a relationship. In a has a relationship compositive, and second is aggressive, means weak. Second point is inheritance, means is a relationship. Without relation, reusability is not possible. Is not possible to benefit of reusability in code. Is a first is already developed program used in another program to avoid the ambiguity in code. Uh, the car example, car is a vehicle and bike is also a vehicle, and when you got the relation in is a, then always a prefer to a inheritance. If a relation is has a relationship, then go for association. And a car has a engine, music system, etc. When between two classes relation, it is has a relationship, then use association. But when we remove the engine, then car become useless of its the and aggregation without music system. So we can have the car 1 to 0 to 100 reusability. When then go to inheritance is partially, then go for association. So in coding, we create constructor for strong and method for a weak thing. Like we have an example of human. Human have ears, beards, and eyes, and the human, and it lives without hair, but no without hearts. So next is the inheritance. Inheritance simples means child inherits behavior and properties from parents. Benefits of code reusability is avoid code duplicacy and reduce complexity and runtime polymorphism, method overriding, and data hiding. So whenever we create any class in Java, then it's importable to create without inheritance, because implicity we are inheriting object of class. Implicity means every class extending object class and the super class of every class. Uh, Next is here the extend keyword is means in example here the extend keyword in a compiler. When we use this to create a linking between the class, and it is a relationship, and child can access the all relations and child non-static data, and method on the child object, and the reference at it call in the non-static method and constructor at well the static data and the method in the child name itself. And it is an example of usability. You can use the data and method of our parents class, no need to create it again. Thank you.